Hey everybody, this is Mike. So recently I've been trying out a bunch of recipes inspired by the Mediterranean diet to try to stay more healthy, and they include ingredients like olive oil, legumes, and vegetables. I'm actually making 2 recipes right now, but I'm going to show you one of them. Hummus. This is something that for years I didn't want to try for whatever reason, and then I looked at the ingredients and I was like, not only is this something that I want to try, but I want to make myself. It's really easy. Let me show you. There's only 5 ingredients in this. You're going to put the first 4 in some kind of food processor, mix it up, and then put the last one in. So the first thing, you take one 20-ounce can of chickpeas, and you make sure you rinse and drain them. Put those in first. 2 large garlic cloves peeled. 2 tablespoons of tahini, which is basically just sesame seeds all minced up. Half a cup of lemon juice. And those are our first 4. And you're just going to quickly combine those for a couple of seconds until they dice up nice. Then your last ingredient is 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. So just a couple of seconds, 10 to 15 at the most. And look at that, it's already done. So there you have it, hummus. It's the perfect snack food any time of the week. Enjoy.